Alright, so real quick, can I just get you to state your rank and full name?
My name's Sergeant Santana Alejandro.
Can you spell that for us?
Santana, and then Alejandro. So today what we did is we had two M142 HIMARS launchers. We were pretty much doing dry fires, simulating like we were shooting gimbalers, which are guided munitions. We're pretty much testing out and trying to receive communication from the FDC, which is the Fire Direction Center. Pretty much just coming out here to train and get a feel for it. For if we get into a real world scenario, we're ready to execute at any moment. So whenever we got off the bird, we have to lower the suspension. Because whenever we get inside the bird, we have to lower the suspension because it's too high. So as soon as we get out here, we raise the suspension again, and then we hook up to the live rockets. We come out, we get our fire mission, we get into position, and then we wait for the command to fire. No, not today. We have a brain pod inside, so it lets us simulate like we actually did. It just pretty much it prepares us in the aspect of we don't really do offloads and onloads of the AC-130 very often. So anytime that we get the chance to practice, we just consistently get better. And it doesn't just help us, it helps the FDC. It helps them communicate with us a lot better. It helps the air crew as well. So it helps the Air Force along with us. So it's not just for us, it's for everybody else. So this operation, it's not just Marines. We have to coordinate with the Army, with the Air Force, and then with ourselves. It's not just an element of artillery, it's an element of communications, Fire Direction Center, the 353rd, which is coming from the Air Force. It just helps everybody get a better feel for it. Just in case we're not working with the same branch or we don't have connections with the same branch, we could always try to get a hold of anybody else that's around the area that's familiar with the artillery community.